What are you looking at, darling? What are you looking at? At you.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome to my channel. My name is Angie Moon and I love to do a lot of beauty videos. Today I decided to do Boxy charm unboxing for the month of August, and I'm really excited, you guys. If you're really curious to see what I got in August month of Boxy charm, please go ahead and keep watching. Can't wait to see what's inside. Let's go ahead and see. The theme for August is called Totally. As you can see here up close on the camera, our first item is by Becca and it's a Hydro Mist Refresh Powder. And what it says about it is this weightless powder sets and refreshes makeup for a silky smooth invisible finish, formulated with 50% water and glycerin. This powder creates a mist-like sensation on the skin for a seamless finish and comfortable feel. Now, can you guys guess the manufacturer price for this setting powder? Is $39, you guys. Now, as I have always said, for the box alone, it's $21 a month. And basically, this Becca setting powder practically took care of the price of the box. So let me get a little closer here so I can show you the item up close. So right here, as you can see, it's by Becca. And let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. And this is what it looks like. Wow, the packaging is very beautiful. Oh, I can see myself there. And yeah, it says keep me close to keep me cool. Pretty interesting item in the box. We have by Wonder. This is a Glow Ahead Illuminating Oil. Here it is up close. So this item says, this multitasking beauty elixir instantly hydrates and absorbs into the skin, revealing a bouncy, youthful complexion no matter what skin type you have. The lightweight, powerful formula nourishes and primes the skin to restore skin's moisture barrier while providing a youthful glow. The spill-proof dropper allows you to use it one drop at a time. So let's go ahead and open that so I can show you guys what the dropper looks like. As you can see here. So this Glow Illuminating Oil retails for $42. Now the next item is by Tarte and it's called Tarte's Big Eagle Mascara, an ultra black vegan mascara that lifts your lashes and delivers a fully loaded flutter for up to 16 hours. Wow. Here is the package. Right off bat, just the box alone is so pretty. It's up right here at the bottom. And let's see what this mascara looks like. Wow. First of all, I love pink. You guys already know I love pink. I love this packaging. Let's open it right up and see this brush. It's a very thick brush, as you guys can see here. This mascara, it retails for $23. Okay, moving on to our fourth item from our box. It is by Ace Beauty Glimmer Shadow Duo. Now, what it brings is, it says a duo, but obviously they're separated. It's not like in a box together. As you can see here up close, let's open it up. Now let me swatch it for you guys with my finger so you guys can see it up close of what it looks like. Okay, the name of this color is Huckleberry, and this is a pretty nice color, a very nice, beautiful color for fall. Okay, I'm grabbing it onto here so I can show you guys. So it is pretty pigmented. It looks nice. It's a nice shimmery color, as you guys can see here. And now the second one that came in the box is this one right over here, and the name of it is French Vanilla, and it kind of looks like a metallic silver. Right off bat, as I'm swatching these two colors, it feels very buttery and creamy when I grab it with my fingers, as you can see right here up close what they look like. But my swatches are right here. Now I did do towards the end, I did put a little bit of this one and I put it together just to see what kind of color we'll make. But as you can see, the French Vanilla one looks more as a metallic silver, and the Huckleberry kind of looks like my hair color. It looks like maybe like a dark pink color. So those two glitter shadow duos retail for $25. The last item in the box, it is by Steve Laurent, and it is a lip liner, and that one is right here, as you can see. So it looks like it's like a pinkish mauve, I would say. Let's I don't see where they wrote the color, which is pretty weird. But oh, I forgot to read actually the little message that they wrote. I love to like read it off for you guys. So for the Glimmer Shadow Duo, what they put is high pigmented soft shadows with a creamy texture, specially designed for the ultimate color payoff. These shadows provide bold color in one swipe without fallout, creasing, or fading. Okay, so that was the little message that they wrote for these two right over here that I have basically on my fingers. On this finger, they are mixed together. On this one here in the middle, it is the French Vanilla, and this one is the Huckleberry. So that's these right here. And then for the last item, for the lip liner, the little message that they wrote on there says, reshape, resize, and redefine your pout. This lip pencil is total magic. It smooths over your lip line for a seamless and flawless finish, completely waterproof, so no transferring or bleeding all day long. It lasts up to 7 hours. That's pretty good, and I'm gonna put it to the test, because for me, I love any type of lip gloss or lipstick that does not transfer, especially the matte ones, especially the ones that are red, like really dark colors, because of course, you know, when you kiss your husband, your significant other, your boyfriend, girlfriend, whatever, you don't want to smear it all over their face. So I like when it says it does not transfer. Hey my loves, so the total for Boxy Charms August box is $144. So $144 worth of makeup, and the only thing that I paid is $21 for the box, which is pretty amazing to be able to get high-end products and try them out for you guys. I really do hope that you guys enjoyed watching this unboxing. If you got something different from your box and you want to comment it down below, let me know. I would love to know what you guys got in your box. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions at all, please do not be shy to comment it down below. And you guys already know I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for your support. If you look at my description down below and you have an Instagram, Facebook, or Snapchat, I'm going to be including my links in my description box so you can go ahead and follow me. Please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it. Oh yeah, so that's about it. Mwah, besitos. I hope you guys have an amazing day. And do not forget, before you leave, if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe down below and hit the little bells notifications button so you can get notified each and every time that I upload a video. I love you guys so much. Mwah. Bye.